Yo, what is up YouTube? Today we are back with another pack opening and I went all out for this one. I know there's not much different packs, but look at the numbers of qualities. We have 4 of these, 25, 37, and then 77 to show packs. So let's just rip some packs together. So yeah, if that's okay with you all. So let's get right into it. Big sponsor to everyone that watches, and yeah, let's go ahead. Pack number 1. What are we gonna get? Alright, pack number 1 wasn't too good. Come on. We're just gonna start ripping these down. By the way, every diamond that we do get is going straight to you guys, and we got a diamond. Unlike the 3rd or 4th pack. Who is it? Diamond, fam. Thank you. Oh my, we already do have him. I want to list on the marketplace. We're gonna list him 7,500. Yeah, that was pack number 5 actually. Nothing here. Come on. Let's get down to like 50 packs, and then we're gonna rip open a pack. Super excited. Ooh, those jerseys are looking kind of sick. Nothing. We've only get that 1 diamond so far. Look at the diamond counter. So yeah, I want to tell y'all, you're gonna be counting how many diamonds we get, alright? And at the end of the video, you're gonna put how many diamonds there are. And then I'm going to tell y'all if y'all are right or wrong. Alright? So, yeah. We do got a diamond, but it's purple. But it is Fernando Tatis. Let's go. That's not even bad. Alright, let's go ahead. So make sure you got that tier diamond counter. The diamond counter. Let's get into some more packs. I'm not telling y'all anymore. Just so you know, if you hit it right before I film my next video, in the video, I will give you a shout out. So, yeah. Give you a shout out if you get the right answer. Now if you just attempt, if you get the right answer. Come on. And somewhere in this video, I will place a final number at random play. It'll come on 3 times at a random time. I'm gonna make sure it matches the background, so just make sure you're looking, okay? 5 times in this video. So for this video, for how short this video is, that's a lot. So don't miss it, don't miss it. Alright, I accidentally just now noticed that we've got under 50 packs. So let's go ahead, open 5 of these. 5 of these. What is it? Oh, it's red. Oh, that's Adolis Chapman? Yeah. There we go. Easy as that. 2. Fernando Tatis. Let's go. We've got some good players out of this, not gonna lie. Don't give me the same person. Alright, it's a different person. Who is it? Randy Rodriguez. Alright. It's not bad, but I already have 2 of them. Somehow. Usually. I don't know. Center field. Is this Julio? No, it's not. It's Pete Crow Armstrong. Let's go. Let's go. PCA. And the final pack. There's another one. Third base though. Manny Machado. Let's go. Forgot how hard it is to get these higher overall guys. But we do got him. I think I want to start opening these. Open 7. So yeah. I should have opened these before. Gosh. You get all the early packs. I like how I can just go boom. It's already on here. Okay. Last one, and then we can open it. So, with pack 2, we do get a gold. I would take that. Pack number 3. Another gold. Pack 6. What do we got? Hey, letters, give me good. Ah, it's the worst pack so far. Pack number 9. Give me diamond. And then we have 2 down here. Okay, we still do get the diamond jersey, Minnesota Twins, and we have 2 of the pack 27 from pack number 27. Last pack, give me a diamond. Give me a diamond jersey. So I don't know if that counts or not, but if you count it, okay then. Let's go. And let's open some more of these. Let's finish these out. Actually, we'll get the 25. We do get Jerry Durant. Let's go. Let's get like 25 more packs. And then open some more other packs. Hey, Joe Adele. Take it. Ooh, Jackson Merrill. We've gotten so many diamonds are so far. Oh my gosh. And I don't know if y'all are confused about if the All-Star Packs diamonds count. They do count. Okay? Those are they're still diamonds. They still count. So if you're confused, that's your one. Any diamond out of the pool. Have all the packs we have. So yeah. Let's see, we have 5 more packs open here. He pitched for the Dodgers yesterday. Okay. Against the Braves. We're not worried about that. Oh, dang it, that was last. Alright, well, we do get a Phillies jersey to end off, even though it's not my favorite team. Let's go ahead. And I want to open this draft pack. I've been waiting so long to do this. Oof. Let's just look at power. Definitely not him. I just want to look at power, fielding, or arm. Good speed. Our best choice is right here, third baseman. Oh, they're all third baseman. Round number 2. His power is not the best. He's good with contact. I need power though. That's with all of them. I don't know. Who am I gonna take? Okay, guys. Let's go. So, he's already out. Let's raise. So it's between these two. I'm really thinking about this. He has better hitting. He has better fielding. He has better arm. He has better reaction. I mean, is he lefty? Are any of these switch hitters lefty? Lefties hit better with righties, so I think we're just gonna take him. I don't know, but I don't know if I can do it. Alright, but we do have 2 more players. Oh, right off rip. His hitting's great. His hitting's okay. His speed makes up for it, kind of. His speed is awful, but we can upgrade him. Dang. What do I choose? It's like, do I just choose him because he's higher overall, or do I choose him because he has better attributes? Mostly. I'm gonna deal with him. So here are the 3 players that we got. And now, open one of these. This one. So, Manny Machado again, okay. Teal, starting pitcher, is it Chris Sale? It is. Another one, center field, that has to be Julio. Yeah. I wish I already have all of these. Bro, go up. There we go. One more. I want to pull Ketel Marte, please. Second base, that's Gleyber Torres. Yep. Gonna do. Yep. Gonna do. That's Chris Sale. Oh no, it's not. Yoshi Yamamoto. Starting pitcher. Another one. Why do I have 5 of these? I could have 7 if I took both of those. Alright. Let's open some more of these. We're gonna open 10 of these now. I swear I'll open 15. Just get halfway through them. I'm just gonna open the rest of them, to be honest. Anything I can pack or anything, please? Oh no, I'm good. Okay, I'm good. Just open the rest of them up, that way we don't have to deal with them. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Pack 22. Is that the biggest we have right now? I don't think so. I do not know though, so let's stay locked in. We still have a bunch of packs that we have to unlock. Actually, I'll see y'all whenever we get done with this. Guys, I accidentally opened a player or a pack, so I wanted y'all to at least see what I got, but I'm still not done. I still got 6 more. I was not paying attention. So, yeah. Okay, yeah, it's just one more pack to open, and then we're going into it. We're opening 15. Oh, well, I wanted to open this. Oh, there we go. Okay. So as you see now, it looks like we have so many more packs. That's because we do. So, yeah. Open 15 of these. Pack number 1, 2 diamonds. The first one is a purple, but it's the first baseman, Nick. Is it Nick? No, it's Bryce. Second one, it's another purple. Wow. Is that Clever Torres? No, it's Bryson Strong. A train. Whichever one you want to say. Oh yeah. Alright. Pack number 2. Nothing. Okay. Number 3. Do we got a diamond? Oh no, do not. Alright. No, nothing. Just a plain jersey. That's so lame. Pack number 4. Number 5. Nothing. Okay. Pack number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. Number 10. I think. Like 10 or 11. I want to say 11. Number 12. Number 12. I think. 13. Diamond. Teal. Third baseman. Tony Perez. It's not that card. It's not that card. Number 14. And last pack. End it off on a diamond, please. No, we don't. Alright, that's fine. We have 20 of those. Oh my gosh. Let's just open this. If we get... I'm just gonna quick open them. Okay. Not too bad. Alright, let's just finish opening these. It's not too bad. Julio. These packs. So yeah, that's just really it that we're gonna do for this video. If I don't talk a lot, I'm sorry, because I'm so locked in on the packs, making sure I get someone good. And here's another diamond. Gold center fielder, Torrey Hunter. Oh, bang! And let's keep on going. Oh, wow. No, darn it. It's another gold. Stop playing. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Alright. Let's just open these. I'm not gonna sell them or anything, we're just gonna whip for sale out there. Anyways. So just so this is gonna be over 20. Alright. Okay. Just gonna, oh my gosh, the amount of times we pulled him this video. If we pull Ketel Marte, I'm gonna lose it. But if we don't, then I really don't care about any of these players. Okay. I'm good so far. Come on, okay. Bro, these are taking a little bit too long. Oh my god, I keep on like misclicking. 1 in 1 chance to get a 96. You're guaranteed a 96. Like, it's... You're supposed to get one once every 20 packs. I'm supposed to get at least 199. So I'm guaranteed Ketel Marte, right? Right? 96. Next up. Smith. That's someone new, to be honest. Again. Wow. And we're just left with these 25 packs now. So, let's go. Nice off thing. That's all the time. Okay, whatever. Come on. Diamond. And this is Teal. Relief pitcher. And then Phillips. Alright, let's just zoom through these. Diamond. Purple. Alright. I'm fine. Any call has. Alright. I'll take it. Alright. If I don't get diamond animation, then I'm not gonna look and see what I got. So, yeah. I wish there was a way to make this animation faster. Stripers? That's not bad. I like stripers. I like me a good stripers jersey. Oh shoot. Okay. Alright, we're coming out of the last 3 packs. I'm gonna start doing the outro, so if you enjoyed this video, make sure you comment the amount of diamonds that you found. And like and subscribe. Until next time, peace out. Deuces.